Hello, Research Medical Center. I'm here with Mike Hoyt, Administrative Director of Cardiovascular Services, to talk about our excellent cardiac rehab team and the inpatient and outpatient cardiac rehab services we offer. At Research, we excel at the treatment of cardiovascular disease. Our heart specialists, cardiologists, and cardiac surgeons trained at some of the most prestigious cardiology programs in the country, including Harvard, Stanford, and the Mayo Clinic. These experts conduct research to discover new technologies to reverse blocked heart arteries, prevent strokes, and strengthen weakened hearts. In fact, we are part of the area's accredited chest pain network. Not only do we provide exceptional, family-centered inpatient cardiac care and rehabilitation services on our intensive care and telemetry units, we also have an outpatient accredited cardiac rehabilitation program to help patients regain strength after they return home. At this time, I'd like to invite Mike to expand on our cardiac rehab programs.
Thank you, Ashley. At Research Medical Center, we are blessed to have both a Phase 1 inpatient cardiac rehab program and a Phase 2 outpatient cardiac rehab program. Our inpatient rehab program is unique for our local area. It is a comprehensive program with standalone and dedicated staff focused on three main goals. First, ambulating all cardiac patients 2 to 3 times per day, depending on the patient's diagnosis, while in our facility. Second, we educate every patient on their cardiac risk factors and mitigation, and perform discharge education to include medications. And third, we directly refer our inpatients to an outpatient cardiac rehab program prior to their discharge. Each patient is able to choose a cardiac rehab program in close proximity to where they reside. For those patients in the Kansas City market, they're able to attend our Phase 2 cardiac outpatient rehab program here at Research Medical Center. Our program has been accredited here for over 20 years and includes a 36-session program with our cardiac rehab trained nurses where we design individual treatment programs focused on lifestyle modification and reducing their future risk of coronary artery disease. The cardiac rehab programs here at Research Medical Center offer our patients the full inpatient and outpatient support throughout their recovery process from coronary artery disease or other heart conditions. We are thankful each and every day for the excellent staff we have here at Research and the leadership support of our program. Thank you.
Thank you, Mike, for your leadership, and congratulations to the cardiac rehab team for being our October Talk About an Excellent Team.